Alright everyone, we're back with more Super Mario RPG. Let's see if we can take down this guy. I can't tell where the mouse is. I have the worst luck with this mouse cursor business. But anyway, let's do this. Let's fight some more spikies first. I don't feel confident enough with my level to fight a boss, or mid-boss, or mini-boss. I don't care. I just don't feel confident enough that I have enough attack and defense, health, especially not health. Maybe a mushroom before I fight that guy. And all I have to do is hope I don't forget. Aha, jump on the spikes. This is not Paper Mario, so it's obviously not going to do anything. Oh, it might give you an extra attack. I don't know. Follow you around like a two. You need to kill the other guy. Those guys look like Knuckles when they fall or whatever. They look like Knuckles when he jumps or spins from Sonic. Yeah, just so everyone knows, I'm more so of a Sonic fan than a Mario fan. But I mean, I always wanted to play this. That was an interesting idea. Square made it, so it's sure to be good. Everything I've heard about has been good, and so far I'm having a lot of fun with it. I mean, I sound real excited, but I mean, you know, it's an RPG. I mean, I don't get like overly rambunctious excited over RPGs, because I mean, pretty linear and I don't know, competitive. But I mean, they're fun. Most of them. I don't know. I've met some stale ones. I think I'm gonna eat a mushroom now. Either that or I'm gonna go ahead and fight one more enemy. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and fight the boss now. Let's see. Wow. Oh, I learned Fire Orb. Well, I'm guessing that's Star Power. I don't know what that does yet. It's health or power. I'm gonna say power, because I did health last time, so. Oh, and also raises defense. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Give me a slice of that action. Oh, I need a mushroom. If I forget. Or not, because, hey, that's awesome. Everything goes back to normal. Flowers, 10 out of 11. Don't know what that is. Frog coins, no clue what that is yet. I have 52 coins. Guess that's good. Alright, you bully. I guess the hammer has a personality. Alright, you bully. Leave my shirt. Oh, there's two of you. Leave my shirtless friend alone. I don't care if he is wearing a diaper. We're gonna use Fire Orb, which uses 5. Yeah, let's go and do that. That looks cool. Or we can do that. Alright. Yeah. Oh, Ace of Spades. Ah! Ah! Why repeat it? Did not know there was stuff like that in here. I should have. Are you guys unarmed? You guys are unarmed, even though you guys have hammers. You guys don't make any sense. I have 5 more. I made the other guy with Fire Orb. That was fun. Yeah, Ace of Spades! Ah, die! Eat fire. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hammer time. You're not MC... How do you even time that? But you're not MC Hammer. I don't know who you think you are. You get super hit. Wow! That is as much as the fire orb. Look at all the coins that are spurting out of his shell. Valor went up. Don't know what that is. He's glowing blue. He must be going Super Saiyan. Doesn't matter, he's dead now. Whoa! Coin parade! It's like a piñata. Except you get money. I got the flower jar. Sweet. Why is there a hammer there? That's what I'm wondering. Yeah, tell that to the Hammer Brothers. Oh, wait, you can't, because they're pinatas. Whoa! Ugh, Mario's been making too many visits to the Pipe House. Oh, there's a save point close. Whoa, wrong button. Is there a way to... Whoa, you can run! Ah, I didn't know that. Okay, well, let's go ahead and go. Kick their butts rather easily. Oh, Mushroom Kingdom. We're already there. That's good. Hope there's a save point nearby, because I need to save. Yes. You blue mushroom-headed freak. Where's the save point? Run, Mario! Look! What are you doing? He got to the Pipe House! Join him! Aww. Sure, why not? Live the dream, kid. Live the dream. At least dream. Whether or not you actually... Well, you can't even like me because you're a freaking mushroom. I'm a cloner. Why do you want to be... What are you doing? I'm not a pedophile. I guess it is. I wish I could find a save point. I'm gonna go in every one of these houses until I find one. I'm guessing, yep, it's an item shop. Does the item shop have a save point? No. Oh, it has secrets. Use your awesome jumping ability to look for them. So awesome. Save points, not items. What's a star for? In? Oh. I guess. Huh. I still have full health. Still. I don't know. I guess when I beat them, I have full health. Yay! Alright, we'll save and quit. Alright. Just to be sure, save. Yes. Okay. Yes. Alright. Alright, well, this has been Super Mario RPG. I am Barakage, and thank you for watching. Later.